Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we discussed about category dynamics. In this video we can cover recent arrival, means descending order we can show here. Like whatever category here showing, like shop by category showing here. So this is the category name we can show here, like whatever here there, like home page you decide, we can show here, and after you click on, so this product we need to show for this category. After you click on the load more button, means load more products, so we can redirect for each one like a descending order. Whatever here showing, we can use like a one ascending descending like a filters. Okay, so in this video I will cover recent arrival. Before we can start this video, you are new in the channel or in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it, you can see it like here there. And also, do you want to develop as a freelancer work? Just contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. So let's start now. So first of all, we need to check where is the recent arrival, means where is the code inside a home screen. So resources, and here you can see home.play.php. So slider we are done, dynamic, get partner dynamic done, trend product we can do is the next video. So in this video we can cover recent arrival. So here you can see it like a tab wise work, is a tab for doctor, tab and light. So this is the working as a like a tab wise. So first we need to make for this dynamic. So what I can do, we have already query there for the get category. Just copy this name and you can put here, because we have already there like this query. And here you can do and for each. Okay, and just remove bottom one. We don't want to need bottom. Means you can comment out, so you can't forget any things. And just you can put here like a category name. Same thing, you can just copy paste and you can put here category name. Now here top for tab, so this is the tab, whatever here there you can put your slug, so automatic created dynamic. So simple, you can copy and here you can put your slug. Please carefully watch what I am doing. Suppose how to make this get category dynamic, so you need to watch last video in this series, otherwise you can find out inside description for this link, so don't worry about that. Okay, so you can see for place I have made a dynamics. Let's go back and we can refresh the page. Just I go back again, refresh here page, so you can see it here toys, game, sport and jewelry. Whatever your home page there, this is the showing, and all is a automatic showing the all the product like a descending against win to show like all products. So now I will click on the toys, so we need to show this product, I will click here, so we need to show this product, otherwise I will click here, so we need to show this product. So what we can do, same thing for each loop we need to work in a bottom, but this is the bottom how to work, I can explain very well way, it is not easy way. First you need to copy this one and just scroll down, so here you can see it for the active one like all, so just customize. Here you are showing like a three part, before you can see it like a comment out, so three there, 1 2 3, so I don't want to need now, so just remove. And here also I don't want to need 2, so just remove. Okay, just close, remove this one, this remove. Here you can make again for each loop, and here you can put and for each. So now here you can put your slug dynamic, whatever you did here, just copy this name and you can put it here. Also here you can put, here also you can put. Here also there one button, load more button, so we can't work it here for the load more button, so we need to work very well way, so I can explain once this is the dynamic done. Okay, so just remove here, and also I can remove this comment, so look like so perfect. So just save and just go back again, we can try it's working, not working. So just refresh the page here and I just scroll down, so here you can see recent arrival toy script, so it means working very well, you see it. Okay, now we need to make dynamic this product, so what we can do it first of all, so we need to get the query and we can get all. Suppose I click on the toy and game, so what we can do it here, we need to find for this category id, and this category id against we need to get here product and we need to show here, means a descending order like recent arrival, whatever product you upload. So we need to call here Ajax. Ajax wise we can get this record. Okay. So first we can sort out like all, after we can do Ajax coding. So let's go to back again, app, HTTP controller, inside you can see home controller, and here you can put another query, get recent arrival. Just copy these words so it look like a good, get recent arrival, whatever name do you want to, like you can do it. And here I can make here function get recent arrival, and here I can change category model to product models. Okay, now I need to go to product models, and here you can see it like a get record is a page ignition there, get record here is a category subcategory wise you are getting. So we need to create a new function here, static function get recent arrival, and just copy bottom on all the codes whatever you did. Once you can copy and you can put here. Okay, now you need to remove all thing whatever here there, like a filter we don't want to use. Simple, you can make proper way, like you also you can remove the like a whatever words there here, just you can remove here semicolon. So now we can put here get, we don't need also this one, and here you can pass limit, and you can do here 6, whatever limit do you want to, like you can put it. Here is a 1 2 3 4 5 8 product showing, so I can put limit is a 8. Okay, and here I can put return is equal to dollar returns, means is the return data. So what we did, just copy bottom one and we have removed the filter, and after whatever space whatever do you want to remove you can remove. And here also is there recent arrival, means order by descending order. So we have no need to do anything else. Okay, so let's get back again, and I just copy this variable name. But before we can copy, we can refresh the page, so we can check error there, cannot there. So here is the error there. So just we need to declare for this model. Once you can declare for this model, and you can go back and refresh the page. So you can see now no any errors, means working very well. Let's make for this dynamic. So first we need to make dynamic, we need to go to our shop. Inside you can click on the electronics, not there anything. So let's go to fashion, inside some product there. So we can see look like show here. We don't want to do like this, like here there. We use like a same functionality what here provide. So just copy and paste here, so automatic everything works. Okay, so let's go back again home again, and here there recent arrivals. So just open this one, here there get products. So also we don't want to do here, here is a single, here is the one product showing. So I can put for each, here I can put and for each, and just you can put here dollar. Here sorry, I have made a mistake, I just need to use variable name whatever you pass here inside data. So is a get product get recent arrival, here you can put like a get product, otherwise you can put directly value whatever variable name do you want to, like you can do it like products. And just you can remove this one, I don't want to use. Let's go back again, refresh the page here, so we can check here product found, cannot found. Just scroll down, so here you can see it same product found, means it's working very well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I think 7 product 8 product there in our site. So this product found here, okay, in our database. Rest of we don't need, so just remove. It's very simple, you can do it like very quick. So just you can remove here. Okay, it is removed, done. Now let's open. So here we need to put dynamics. Before we can put dynamic, we can check in our side product inside list. So list inside what we have did, like here we have used directly get products, like this we have used direct variable. So let's try this one, is working very well, so we don't want to do anything else. Here you can put directly, simply here. Okay, here we can put directly, you can see it, this is the products mp3, so we can include here direct file. So let's try it's working not working. So just we can simple one thing and automatic done all things. Just go back again and paste here. Now we don't want to need also these ones. Okay, just go to again file product inside list, and here is a variable name there get products. So also we need to change inside a home controller here get send arrival, so you can change to get products. Let's go back again, refresh the page. Suppose look like not good, so we can work, but look like good, so we don't want to work anything. Just refresh the page, scroll down, so it's good, we don't want to work. You can see it's recent arrival showing proper way. You see here also your work, this ones here's also working, same thing here there like this work, but here is showing small, here showing the bigger one because of the 3 showing. Here is also showing this one like slider there, here not there slider, this reasons, otherwise look like goods. You can see here half showing, here not half showing. So let me make here 4, so we can check it's good not good. So just go back again, here I can put md3, here also make md3, just go back again, refresh the page. So here you can see now showing correct way, but problem about here now, here you can make md3, so it's common file generate the issue look like, but it is not good idea. So better we can make md4, and we need to create another file for this one, and we can do it, but we don't want to make a mix up. Is better we can use here is another variable php and php, and here you can do it dollar is home is equal to 1. Once you can pass here is home is equal to 1, so here we can make condition. Before we can make condition, we can print is working not working. So simple, we can put like this. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page here. So here you can see it 111, you see, so it means working very well. Suppose I can go back here, so generate the errors, you can see it proper way because of I need to show, you see undefined. So simple, you need to make condition here, if is not empty, so it's going to here, otherwise going to else part. And if let's cut and paste here, and also you can paste here, and here you can change 3. So you can see like one file we ever short out both of you. Here is a I have passed here 1, so means here there something there, so it's going to here. Suppose not there anything, so just going to else part and you can print. So let's go back again, refresh the page. Simple, you can refresh the page. So here working very well. Let's go back and we can refresh the page in home page. So you can see it here also working very well, no any issue. Now this button, so all is done, like here is not done but all is done. So here is the one button there. So simple, this button we need to put only for homes, like only for a category wise. So just go back again and you can copy this button name and you can put inside. First of all we need to put here like our product inside here. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page, so we can check look like good cannot good. Just go back, refresh the page here. So here you can see it's looking like goods. Suppose I going to toy and games, so it's not found, you see it, but here found. So means we need to provide here link. So just you can pass here search link URL search. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here, and after I click on this button load more products, so it's automatically direct to search for. So means here you can find out all the products. Suppose you are follow this series, so you can understand better way. Okay, just scroll down, so this part done. Now we need to work in toy and games. So this part you understand proper, but toy and games inside we need to put again here button. So simply you need to copy for this code and just open this line for this category and just go scroll down, and here also you can put this button, means here you can put this button code. Just save these files and just refresh the page, so you can see it here also button. So you see, load more, you can find out. And home screen, so every place is different button way works. I hope you are clear. So in this video I have explained recent arrival for the all, and also we have put category dynamics. Suppose how to make category dynamics, so you need to watch last video also, and you need to watch this video also, so you can understand. Next video you are click on the toy and games, so we need to call the ajax, and ajax wise we can show here data. So I can explain in next video. Suppose do you have any question for this video, so please comment out. And do you want to like this video, so please like. And do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our error solution. And thank you for watching error solutions.